Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Splice app. You click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Splice and you click. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.